Foster, how many chicken sandwiches have you eaten?
6.
It's only been like 6 minutes, I guess.
It's like one sandwich every minute.
One sandwich every 60 seconds.
That's like half a sandwich every 30 seconds.
Has anyone seen Hannah?
She graduated.
I'm free!
Oh, Cart! You have to get ready.
Foster, are you coming?
No, I'm just gonna finish this last one.
Okay, but don't be late.
How much longer do we have left?
An hour.
I'm worried about Foster. That was a copious amount of chicken. We should go check on him.
There he is.
Come on, dude, I told you not to eat all those.
Oh my! What?
Dude, your face! You have a beak! Ah!
Come on.
Holy car!
What is it?
I don't know.
Let's ask Rick.
Yeah, that's not going away soon.
Sure, but what is it?
That's one of the worst cases of bird flu I've ever seen. Comes from eating too many chicken sandwiches. How many did you eat?
7.
But he has to play trombone in 45 minutes.
What do we do?
It's easy. You just have to act like a bird.
What?
You have to act like a bird.
Like a chirp bird?
Do you want this time on your head?
No.
Then you better find your inner bird and you better do it.
Just do it, man. No way, this is all just stupid.
You only have 30 minutes till transit. Just clap.
I'm never the one who has to do the embarrassing thing. There's a first time for everything. Now flap harder. Ah!
It's not working.
Well, we'll just have to try harder. We've done an entire flash mob.
I think it is. Never mind.
You play trombone, so can you at least buzz?
No, I can only whistle. The gloves are gone.
Of course, whistling.
Well then, whistle some more.
Forget it. Let's just go find Mrs. Timeball.
Here we are, Mrs. H, right on time.
doing?